Congratulations! We have now completed our comprehensive study of Python's core data types. This final lecture of the chapter will summarize something we have learned, providing you with a mini sheet to choose the right type for your data. Let's look at the big picture. The most critical attributes to remember are mutability, can it change, and order, is it indexed? Note that while dictionaries preserve insertion order in modern Python, they are technically accessed by key, not by numerical index. When deciding which type to use, categorize them by their behavior. Use these when your data needs to be modified, extended, or updated frequently. Use these for fixed data constants, dictionary keys, or when you need to ensure data safety. Finally, remember the special utility types we covered in this chapter. You now possess the building blocks of Python. The next step is learning how to manipulate these blocks using operators. We are now moving to Chapter 6, Operators and Operands. We will start with Lecture 0601, Arithmetic Operators. See you there.